a special needs trust, right? They're different.
I saw that from Linda. Yeah.
And I know
Yeah.
it's a whole area of law there, right?
Sure it is. Yeah. And we do, of course, do sub-trusts for special needs. I mean, we don't often, if we're doing an estate plan for someone, we don't try to have them do a separate special needs trust unless unless the facts dictate that it's necessary. But in most cases, we do it as a sub-trust to the person's living trust. And of course, again, there you designate who's going to be in charge of the special needs trust. If you're creating a sub-trust for someone else, the special needs sub-trust, you can also designate what happens to the money if the special needs beneficiary were to die. And but unlike there are other types of special needs trusts, for instance, what they call first party special needs trust, in which, let's say, the person became a special needs person as a result of an accident, and they received a large amount from an award, a damage award. Well, that money can be put into a special needs sub-trust. That person who's the special needs person can still receive benefits from the state. But when that person dies, those special needs funds have to be returned to the state of California to reimburse the state for any monies that it put out on behalf of that special needs person. So that is to be distinguished from the third party special needs trust, which is where, say, a parent or grandparent or friend, whomever, creates a trust using their own money. Well, in that case, they can designate who the recipient will be if the special needs person dies, whereas as opposed to the first party trust, where the person got the money from an accident or something, well, then that money has to be returned to the state of California for reimbursement.
So all these things none of these things are important until they become important.
Exactly.
And you're sitting in court, and there's a court appointed attorney, there's this attorney, that attorney, there's fees coming out. It's amazing how when there's no plan, I would say it's chaotic, but it's certainly bureaucratic at the least. And so what you're setting up is to try to minimize the bureaucracy and kind of push things down a path of known solutions.